Amazon Sagemaker HyperPod now offers task governance to address challenges in managing generative AI development resources. This feature provides centralized control over compute resources for AI tasks like training and inference. You can define task priorities and set resource limits for teams, ensuring critical tasks are prioritized. The system automatically manages task execution within defined constraints, reallocating resources as needed. It also utilizes idle resources to accelerate other teams' tasks. Integration with SageMaker Studio allows data scientists to interact with HyperPod clusters directly, streamlining ML job management on accelerator-backed infrastructure. These capabilities aim to maximize resource utilization and potentially reduce model development costs by up to 40%. Training large generative AI models often requires significant compute resources and time, which can be challenging to manage within budget and timeline constraints. SageMaker HyperPod's new flexible training plans address this issue. You can specify your compute preferences and timeline requirements. SageMaker then creates cost-efficient training plans, reducing training time. It automates infrastructure provisioning and manages workloads without manual intervention. For complete infrastructure management, you can use SageMaker's fully managed training jobs. These features enable you to train generative AI models more efficiently within your budget and timeline constraints. Training and fine-tuning large foundation models can take weeks of experimenting and debugging, requiring deep machine learning expertise. SageMaker HyperPod recipes address this by providing pre-configured training stacks for popular foundation models. You can train and fine-tune models quickly using tested configurations, easily switch between GPU and Trainium instances, and enable automated checkpointing for improved resiliency. These features allow you to accelerate model development and optimize performance without extensive expertise, reducing time to market for AI applications. Integrating specialized ML and Gen AI development applications has been challenging, requiring significant effort in deployment, management, and security compliance. SageMaker Partner AI Apps solves this by allowing you to discover, deploy, and use best-in-class AI development applications within your SageMaker environment. You can now integrate partner solutions seamlessly, run apps privately and securely, and access specialized AI development capabilities without leaving SageMaker. This reduces fragmentation, improves security, and accelerates AI model development by providing tools for experiment tracking, model quality evaluation, production monitoring, and security protection. Organizations struggle to build accurate and flexible search experiences for generative AI applications. Amazon Kindra's new Gen AI Index addresses this by providing a high-accuracy search index for RRG and intelligent search. You can create knowledge bases using the Gen AI Index as a managed retriever. You can integrate these with other Bedrock services to build advanced Gen AI applications. The index connects to 43 data sources for easy content ingestion. You can use the index content across multiple AWS generative AI services, enhancing flexibility for different use cases. As AI services become more prevalent, users need clear information about their capabilities and limitations. AWS AI Service Cards address this by providing a centralized resource for multiple generative AI services. You can access consolidated information about each service, review the responsible AI design principles applied, understand intended use cases and limitations, and learn performance optimization best practices. These cards cover key aspects of AI development and deployment, empowering you to make informed decisions when integrating these services into your applications and workflows. Building ML models can be challenging for users without extensive data science expertise. Amazon Q Developer in SageMaker Canvas addresses this by providing natural language guidance through the ML process. You can now use conversational inputs to define ML tasks, prepare data, build models, and deploy solutions. This streamlines model development for users of all skill levels, accelerating innovation. The feature breaks down objectives, applies data preparation, guides model building and evaluation, and produces production-ready models that integrate with existing ML ops workflows.